Hey there! Welcome to another episode of CarTalk with Kartik. I'm Nathan Kartik. On this day in history, December 28th, 1975, the Dallas Cowboys defeated the Minnesota Vikings in a playoff game with a miraculous Hail Mary pass. Cowboys quarterback Roger Staubach threw a 50-yard pass to Drew Pearson in the final few seconds of the game to clinch their victory against the Vikings. This concept of the Hail Mary pass teaches us 4 key lessons for work and life. 1. Risk-taking. Even though some ideas seem like long shots initially, they can pay off big time over the long run. 2. Teamwork. Even though quarterback Staubach gets most of the credit for throwing the ball, if Pearson wasn't there to catch the ball, they would not have won the game. So success is usually a team sport. 3. Grit. Despite tall odds that are stacked against us, the grit to power through can lead to critical breakthroughs and eventually lead to victory. 4. Preparation. Even though the Hail Mary pass seemed like a miracle at the time, it took a lot of preparation by the whole team to enable that miracle to happen. As the Latin saying goes, amat victoria coram, or victory loves preparation. Armed with that knowledge, my friends, let's make the magic happen.